Hello, so I just learned how to create a video using code with the Remotion skill and Copilot CLI and Opus 4.6. I want to show you how I did it, so let's get into it. I have Copilot open here. I'm in Copilot CLI. And so let's just start Copilot CLI. So I'm going to do Copilot -- allow all to invoke it. So if I do skills here, if I run /skills, I can see that I have access to the Remotion best practices skills right here. And so I want to use that skill to make some B-roll. Here, I have this video that I want to edit, but I need some B-roll and I'm not the best at doing B-roll. So I downloaded my transcript here and then I uploaded it to Claude. So I have a custom project that I created it today because I'm just like, this is dope. So this is the detailed instructions here. I have my color palette here that matches my brand, That Lady Dev. So all I have to do now is pop in my script, which I already did, and I get the B-roll analysis. So Claude is going to provide me with B-roll suggestions for my video, and then I can copy the suggestions. I'm going to open up VS Code just because it's easier. And I'm going to update this videos.md file here, save. And now I have my file instructions of the B-roll that I want to create. So I'm going to go back into Copilot here, and I'm going to say, and I'm actually going to I'm going to say at video.md, boop. So I'm just going to, provide it with the file right there. And I'm going to say, create the videos in this file and let me know when you're done. I should also say, use the Remotion skill and send. And now let's see what Copilot does for us. So I like using the Copilot CLI. Let me read. So now it's reading, and you can see right here, it says skill Remotion best practices. Perfect. So I didn't even have to give it the full skill name. And here I'm using Claude Opus 4.6, which, have you tried it yet? It's incredible. I do realize that it does take some time to process, but once it's done, oh my God, once it's done cooking, it's incredible. All right, so let's see what Copilot's doing. So it's reading through the project to see what's currently there and to see the patterns of previous B-roll because, I've been cooking up B-roll. So it also went through to see the Remotion skill rules. It's going to build 16 video components. And this is the best part. Now let me create all 16 video components in parallel using subagents. So Copilot CLI is going to spin up some subagents to get this work done a lot faster. I love that. All right. So let's see. We just have to wait. What do you do while you're waiting for your agent to finish working? So I'll put my Copilot on my other screen, and while it's cooking, I'm also cooking. We're getting things done at the same time. I love working like that. Honestly, it's so fun. I already have the project running. And so once it's done, we'll be able to take a look at the videos. But here you see it created some general purpose agents. So create videos 1 through 4, right? Agent 0. Create videos 5 through 8, agent 1. 9 through 12, right? So it created 4 agents here that are assigned like 4 videos each. Nice. Very nice. Literally, I had to show you because wait until you see the output of the videos. Then I can download it, add it to my videos, and post it, okay? Editor who? I'm kidding. Please, editors, help. Okay, looks like we're finished. I can see Copilot giving us a list of all the videos that were created, so let's take a look. And honestly, I timed it, so this started around 7 minutes. It's now 12 minutes. Anyway, let's take a look. I'm so excited to see. So we have 16 videos here. Let's go to our browser and see what we have. So I already have the project running, and this one is called ChatGPT B-roll. Let's take a look at the first one. All right, millions of calculation. Okay, tokenized visual. Look at that token visualization. I really love it. it shows how the hello, how are you is broken down. Nice. But how incredible is this? Like, these animations and motion graphics take so long to do, which is why I never add them to my video, because I don't have that skill. But now I do. Literally, I have the Remotion skill, feed it to Copilot CLI, and now we have videos. And now I have videos that I can add to my B-roll. So let's go through the rest of them. ChatGPT doesn't know things. It predicts. I like that a lot. And it's using the color palette, my color palette for my brand. It's that Lady Dove, right? Word prediction chain. So let me show you how I would actually use this. Thinking, calculating. So, okay, so I'm gonna take the tokenization visual and I'm gonna hit render. I'm not gonna make any edits to it. I'm gonna hit render. It's going to render the video. I'm also going to render this first one because I think that's for the first 3 seconds here. And as you see, this is in 9:16 format for short form, which is exactly what I wanted. All right, so once it's rendered, I can come here and I can download 1, download 2, and I'm just gonna do 2 for the sake of this video. I'll go in and add the rest of them once we're done here. And now if I go to my downloads folder, you can see I have a bunch that I did because I did another video. I can import the videos, and now let me take a listen of where these should go. So probably, yeah, I want to put it down here. First, your text gets broken. Yeah, I think that's come here.
People assume ChatGPT is thinking like a human, but what's happening behind the scenes is very different. First, your text gets broken into tiny pieces called tokens.
See how much the B-roll is adding to my video? How cool is this? Have you tried this skill? Let me know if you've tried it. If you haven't tried it, be sure to try it out with Copilot CLI because it's a different world, y'all. It's a different world. Now Copilot CLI can create B-roll for your videos. Let me know if you have any questions and if you will try this out yourself. If you do, tag me so I can see it. All right, bye.